In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a music track to your Godaddy website in just a few minutes. Whether you're enhancing the mood of your site or providing an auditory experience for your visitors, incorporating music can be a fantastic way to engage your audience. Let's jump right in and explore how you can seamlessly integrate music into your Godaddy website. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Godaddy website. Once you're there, head over to the section titled Domain Names, Websites, Hosting and Online Marketing Tools. This is where you can manage all your Godaddy products, and it's an essential starting point for any customization you plan to make to your website. Once you're on this page, locate and click on the Products tab. This will direct you to a list of your Godaddy subscriptions, including your websites, hosting services, and any other products you might have with them. From the products page, find your specific website. You'll see a list of the websites you've registered with Godaddy. Click on the website you wish to edit to continue. This will take you to the dashboard for that specific website, where you can manage various aspects of your site, from its appearance to its functionality. Once you've selected your site, look for the option to edit website. Click on it to open the website builder interface. Here is where you can make changes directly to your site. Now, with the website editor open, look for a button that says Add Section. Click on this button and a new menu will appear, allowing you to add various sections to your web page, including multimedia options. In the search bar, type in music to quickly find the music section. This search functionality helps speed up the process by directing you to the exact feature you need without having to browse through numerous other options. After searching for music, you'll see an option labeled Audio. Click on this to explore the available audio settings that Godaddy provides. This feature allows you to upload, manage and display music or any other audio file that complements your website's theme or message. Once you click on audio, look for the Add button. By clicking Add, you're confirming that you want to include a new audio section in your web page layout. This section can later be moved around and customized as per your requirements. And there you have it. A new music track has been successfully added to your Godaddy website. By following these straightforward steps, you enrich your site with an auditory element that can attract more visitors and enhance the user experience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes a positive difference on your website. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks for managing your online presence.